Not a fan
for
of
all the
seats.
people who talk about Hellcats, you know, the Demons, the Mustangs, the Vets, they never can make it past the second round of roll racing at Texas 2Ks because they're slow. I'm sorry, it is what it is.
They're slow.
They're
That's
slow.
a bold statement.
I mean, think about this. All these shops come to Texas 2K.
Yeah.
They're all built cars.
Right.
Whether it's built Mustangs, built Vets, built Hellcats, Demons, they can't make it past the second round because they're slow.
One question. Can you give me your thoughts on Hellcats?
Slow.
All right then.
Sucks because a lot of the guys want to see me dig race, but bro, I'm not dig racing no more. You can catch me from a 50 roll. I'll give you the 50 roll.
I never roll race my car before. I usually stand when I pee.
So he may call us kitty cats or anything else, but he can bring that, you know, rice cooker, pressure cooker anytime he wants. But you haven't ran across anything built by us up here. And I promise you, you're going to go to a Dodge dealership and trade that thing in. I may need to borrow his import multi-mirror thing that goes in the back window. You know, that you get on all the JDM websites. So I could see as he's going across further and further back where he's, oh man, I'll pull the chute, sell it.
But Dan, like after he said what he said, I don't care if I'm a win or lose. It's not about like racing, just get in front of everybody. He made that statement. I said, win or loss, line it up, and we'll just see what happens.
At the end of the day, a lot of people be like, this guy doesn't know shit. What he's talking about? He just pays somebody to build his car. It's not true.
What's funny to me though is a lot of the people who are hating couldn't even qualify for Texas 2K
Or don't even have a car.
or don't even have a car. You heard what he said on the announcement
Oh
when my
my
car.
God.
yeah.
Boosted did not get lucky.
What would it take for a Hellcat to get your respect?
I mean, for me, oh yeah, I got you a gift.
Oh God. Oh my God.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back to another POV. We got a little rainy day. I think the rain's gonna stop in like 15-20 minutes, but for now it's drizzling. But yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys about Dan Rue. Like, when I hear about him, it literally cracks me up because he is the perfect master marketer. I've been saying this for I don't know how long. He literally markets so well, and people are always like, what do you mean by that? Damn, why is this thing going so fast? It's barely even raining right now. He literally came into the racing scene. He got a bunch of hype because no one even knew that he was into cars, because he is just always dancing, and you know, he's telling jokes at Wild 'N Out, so no one really took him serious in the racing community until they saw, like, damn, he actually built his GTR, you know, he really did his thing. And then he goes on these podcasts and then starts a whole but again, he's so smart because his brand shot up. Everyone knows when he's at every racing event, it goes crazy. His content, he literally comes, makes content, and then he leaves. That's the smartest thing to do. He doesn't have to race nobody. His car is not in jeopardy. You know how smart that is? Oh my God. And he knows that all the racing guys, they're always like, they take it so serious. And they take it so serious. Oh, guy. Don't you hate these people that just can't drive? Always gotta be maneuvering like 20 different times. But yeah, like some of these people. Hold on, let me get around these guys, because go over, guy. There's nobody there. Go over. Oh my gosh. People in Florida really can't drive, man. It's so sad. But yeah, as I was saying, like, he knows the car racing people, they take everything to the extreme. They're really dramatic. He knows that the stuff he was saying was gonna get clipped, as it did, and it went viral, right? But he's so smart. I mean, eventually it is gonna die down because he hasn't raced nobody, so everyone is just gonna be like, oh, you know, Dan is just talking, like he never races no one. And then at some point the clout is gonna fall, because the only way for him to keep this up is if he finally races somebody and he gaps them badly, because he always says like no one is worth his time. So for him saying that, you know, the cars really can be worth his time. So I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like he's just, whoa, what the hell? I just feel like he knows exactly what he's doing, and it's so smart, man, so smart. If I was somebody to do the same thing, I'm not gonna lie to you, like, if I know saying that I got the fastest car, or pulling up to the race events, getting content, not having to race nobody, you don't gotta waste no gas, you don't gotta do nothing but just make content, come on, that's the easiest job in the world. So yeah, Darren was just a master marketer, because at some point I guarantee you, watch, Dan was gonna drop his own podcast, or something's gonna come from this. I don't know if he has merch. Does anyone out there know if he has his own merch or something? I don't know, but if he does, that'd be smart too, you know. So I don't know, I just think he's smart as hell. Like, and all these car guys don't get it. Like, you're reposting his video, giving your comments, your thoughts, and it's just giving him more attention. But then they say, oh, guys in this community should stop giving him attention. I'm like, but you guys are giving him free publicity to just speak on whatever he wants. So I don't know, it's just funny to me. Is there any cops there? Showing it's up there. Might be a false alert, because I don't see no cops on Waze. Benz is nice. That guy was going slow before, and now he speeds up past the truck. It's crazy. Time to get away. That Benz is nice. It's not an AMG, but it still looks good. And if you guys were in Dan Rue's position, what would you do? Would you do the same thing that he's doing, or would you actually go and race a lot of people? Because me personally, just so I don't ever gotta take a loss or anything, because with this racing stuff, like, no matter how powerful your car is, no matter how much money you put into it, there's always someone out there with a faster car. Literally, like, there's someone out there that you don't even know that has the fastest car that you have. Meanwhile, you probably think, damn, I put thousands of dollars into this, I probably got the fastest car, but there's someone out there that doesn't want to be on social media, doesn't want clout, doesn't want nothing, and he's got everything. So yeah, it's just important to note that, for sure. But yeah, if I was him, I'd be doing the same thing, man. I'm not, there's no way I'm taking like any losses. There's no way I'm gonna put myself in a situation where now my brand is gonna look crazy because I was talking crazy online and then now I just lost, you know? So I don't know. I do agree, he does have a fast GTR for sure. Everyone knows that. It's fully built, like everything's done, but there's no way, man. Daryl, you're doing it right, my brother. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. That was in tour. They barely do construction here. What's this? A lot of people fly on this thing here too, but there's always cops somewhere. Always. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on Dan Rue. How do you feel like he's doing in the racing scene? Let me know. Appreciate you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.